Airbus is losing two top executives in a management shake-up.Chief executive .Enders and Chief Operating Officer Fabrice Bregier plan to step down from the European plane maker at a turbulent time. Airbus is under investigation by the Serious Fraud Office as well as French authorities over allegations of fraud, bribery and corruption connected to alleged use of middlemen in plane sales. The firm makes wings for its planes in Filton, near Bristol, and Broughton, Flintshire, employing about 12,000 across the two sites. Enders, 59, announced he will not seek another term as chief executive when it runs out in April 2019. Bregier, 56, will step down in February. Tensions between the pair are believed to have contributed to Bregier's departure, although those claims have been denied. Industry analyst Howard Wheeldon said investors would worry that the Airbus board might well find itself to be somewhat lacking in the kind of gravitas and necessary skills that have been the driving force behind its growth and very many achievements.